Hey there YouTube, today I'm doing an unboxing and video review of this Wave Master I got at Costco. It's item number 1851632. It is designed for water use only. Don't try to use it in a pool of gasoline or anything. It includes the batteries for the remote controller. The top speed is 17 miles per hour. It is self-righting, which is very important. It has a long range 2.4 gigahertz radio and a water cooling system for the motor. Here's the back of the box. Contains one RC boat, one controller, one AC charger, instruction manual, set of stands, a screwdriver, extra metal screw propeller, and one wrench. Let's go ahead and open it up. This controller feels very lightweight. Here's the buttons, accessories. Here's the stand and the propeller. Here's the AC adapter, screwdriver. Here's the charger. Looks like it's a 2S battery, so that's cool. They give you real Duracell batteries. I love that. Sinking instructions. I hope it doesn't sink. The boat will automatically turn itself off once removed from the water. And the operation guide. There's actually a decent amount of instructions on this. I actually replaced the propeller after damaging it in the rocks, and it was very easy. The battery must be inside the boat. Unlock, 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 unlock. Wow, that is an impressive battery for 30 bucks. Okay, plug in the balance charger. AC adapter plugs into this. Alright, and it says it is charger. So sorry about the cropped image here. My son is with me, and this was recorded for memories, not for YouTube. We are using it right next to the Mackinac Bridge in the Straits of Mackinac, and it really held its own. It didn't flip over too much, and when it did flip over, it was righted pretty quick just by tapping the throttle. So I spent more time in the rocks than on the water, I think. The waves were pretty bad. It chewed up the prop pretty good, but replacement was super easy. And after all those waves and stuff, it was bone dry inside. The range was actually really good. I could go far enough away that I started to get scared, much further than this. I just wasn't recording. But yeah, like right here, I was pretty far away. This is me coming back. There is one scenario where this thing could really screw you up. If it flips over onto something far away and it turns itself off because it thinks it's dry, you won't be able to flick the prop and get it off the obstacle. So keep that in mind. Alright, so when the battery's dead, it cuts the throttle for a second, and then it starts this steady beep. And it gives you, it actually lowers the throttle speed, and you have to kind of milk it home. You can't go full bore home. So keep that in mind. In here I'm just showing how weak reverse is. It doesn't really get you going. Like, this is full power in reverse. So that's full power forward. Reverse. And forward.